Perhaps the Football Association of Singapore, FAS, could kick off the year by organising a gala dinner at Jalan Besar Stadium to honour our former footballers. That would be ideal and nostalgic. It is important for sports associations to send a message of unity and appreciation of worthwhile efforts. As the players and their families must be thrust into the limelight, with praise and respect. I am certain that many of our loyal fans would agree with my suggestion. These men were once among the nation's finest footballers. Allower of L fans drooled over S. Rahagopal, the camel, who was known for his banana kicks from corners and set pieces. There was Mohd Noh, the original pin-up boy of Singapore football, who dazzled with his dribbles and body feints. Okal football in particular, I woe not all of the squad are alive, but those who are should be honoured. The family of the late Chu Sang Kui, who coached that victorious team, could also be invited. Old be gratified if the FAS could start the ball rollin'. It would be a great gesture to a bunch of players who have given much. Their achievement was tremendous, and they did it in style, beating Penang 3-2 in extra time, with Kwa Kim Song bagging a brace. It remains the greatest day in Singapore football. The image of Captain Samad Alipiche hoisted upon his teammates' shoulders while holding the Malaysia Cup trophy aloft endures as an image of our while Crazy Horse, Nasir Jalil and Gelik King Dala Qasim have died. The rest still serve as ambassadors for the game. Despite some suffering from financial hardship or ill health, they are a humble group of men.